Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mila Castelia,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Okay. So, how long you been working in Hong Kong?
22 years.
Okay. So, do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
So, how long you been working with your current employer?
8 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Colon City.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000 square
How
feet.
many family member there?
There's only 4,
How many children?
2 children,
How old are they now?
19 and 14 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
5 o'clock.
And then
start doing washing clothes, prepare breakfast,
and then
washing car,
uh-huh.
and then going to the market, prepare for lunch for kids,
Okay.
and then after that doing some household chores, then prepare dinner.
Okay, do you go market?
Yeah,
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you prepare?
around 4 o'clock,
Okay, so what time you cook?
5 o'clock,
Okay, so what time they eat?
6:30 or 7 o'clock,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
around 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.